rear supercar is following engineering first principles.
Power at the rear wheels, and of course, you need a great handle in road car.
Feel amazing, look amazing, and drive amazing.
It's about when you get into the car for the first time and you get that tingling feeling.
For me, a supercar is driven by emotion.
It's a moment in time. It's the best thing we know how to do.
And a really bold, edgy aesthetic.
You recognise it instantly as something special.
Performance at the core of everything.
It's visceral, it's exciting.
For me, a supercar must be brutal, but also predictable.
Ultimately, as you walk away, you want to turn around for one more look.
The McLaren W1 represents the latest expression of our first principles. A pioneering supercar, forged from Formula One know-how and purposeful innovation. Epic power. The W1 features an all-new high-performance hybrid powertrain called MHP8, our brand-new clean-sheet 4-litre V8, and an all-new Formula One derived E-module, producing an epic 1,275 PS and 1,340 Nm of torque, with a red line at 9,200 RPM. This is McLaren's most powerful, highest revving road car powertrain ever, combined with a low weight of just 1,399 kilograms. The W1 has a sensational power-to-weight ratio of 911 PS per tonne, and it accelerates from 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in just 5.8 seconds. Performance everywhere. The new powertrain is inclined by 3 degrees to accommodate the W1's high downforce rear diffuser, part of our most ambitious ground effect aero concept ever. The aero package is inspired by Formula One and features active aerodynamic elements both front and rear. In race mode, the F1-inspired suspension stiffens, the body lowers, and the active long tail moves back 300 mm to produce up to 1,000 kilograms of downforce. This aero expertise, along with the car's lightweight and McLaren's vehicle dynamic know-how, allows all 1,275 PS to be delivered to the rear axle through an ultra-high torque 8-speed transmission. Acceleration is matched by the performance of our MCCR Plus carbon ceramic braking system. Pure connection. Driver connection forms the core of the W1. The new McLaren Aerocell is our most advanced carbon fiber monocoque ever. Inside, the seats are integrated into the monocoque for maximum connection, with adjustable pedals and steering wheel providing the perfect driving position. McLaren's hydraulic performance steering offers pure, unfiltered feedback for the ultimate engagement, sensitivity, and control. Authentic theatre. The W1 represents a new expression of our design DNA, with a new performance line leaning forward, giving the impression of speed. With the new anhedral doors, a first for McLaren, plus the soundtrack of the exhaust, and the incredible drama of our next generation race mode. The W1 has the authentic theatre of a real supercar.